Hey everyone, welcome back to Stocks for Beginners. Have you ever felt like you're missing out because your stocks aren't soaring overnight? Maybe you are tempted to sell when prices dip, thinking you made a mistake. I get it, I've been there too. Today, we are talking about patient space, why value stocks take time, and how to wait. Think of it like planting a seed and watching it grow into a huge tree. Let's learn why waiting is a secret to big wins with value stocks and how you can stay calm and confident while you wait. If you're new to investing, it's easy to get impatient. You buy a stock, check it every day, and if it doesn't jump up fast, you feel like you're failing. That impatience can make you sell too soon, missing out on huge gains. I used to do this, watching every price move, pressing out, and selling before the real growth happened. But value investing? It's all about playing the long game. Today, I'll show you why value stocks need time to shine, how patience turns small investment into big rewards, and simple ways to stay patient, including easy journaling tips that help me connect with my goals on a deeper level. So let's start with the basics. Why do value stocks take time? Value stocks are shares in solid companies that are undervalued, like finding a diamond in the rough. The market might not see their true worth right away because of short term news, economic dips, or just hype around flasher stocks. But over time, as a company grows its earnings, pays down debt, or the stock price catches up to its real value. Now, let's talk about the real problem: impatience. In our fast paced world, we want everything now: instant likes, quick deliveries, fast results. But investing isn't like that. Short term thinkers chase hot trends, buy high, and sell low when things get shaky. They miss the magic of compounding, where your money grows on itself over years. Studies show that impatient investors underperform the market by a lot. And why? Because they react to every news headline or price drop, selling great stocks too early. Think about it emotionally. That fear of missing out or the pain of seeing temporary loss, it hurts. I felt that knot in my stomach, wondering if I'm the only one holding on. But here's the truth: those missed gains aren't just numbers, they are dreams delayed, maybe a family vacation, a down payment on a home, or financial freedom. Value stocks rewards the patience because true business growth takes time. Companies need quarters or years to innovate, expand markets, or weather storms. Rushing out means handing your potential wins to someone else who waits. So, why does patience pay? First, it lets you ride out volatility. Markets fluctuate, but value stocks bounce back stronger because they are built on real fundamentals like strong cash flow or loyal customers. Second, time unlocks compounding. If you invest $1,000 in value stock growing 10% a year, in 10 years it's over $2,500. In 20 years, nearly $7,000. That's not luck, it's math working for you while you live your life. Emotionally, patience builds confidence. When you see stock you research finally pay off, it feels amazing. Like proving to yourself you can trust your decisions. I still get chills thinking about stocks I held through tough times that turned into winners. That's not just about money, it's about personal growth and resilience. And that proud moment when you say, I did it. Look, Warren Buffett, he's famous for holding stocks for decades. His patience turned Berkshire Hathaway into a powerhouse. Okay, knowing patience is key in one thing, but how do you actually wait? Here are simple emotional strategies that work for me and can work for you. First, set long term goals. Remind yourself why you're investing. Is it for your kids' education, retirement, adventures? Write it down. When impatience hits, revisit those goals. They'll tug you at heart and keep you grounded. Second, limit checking. Don't obsess over daily prices and set that rule. Check once a week or month. It reduces stress and lets you focus on life. I used to check hourly and it makes me anxious. Now, stepping back feels freeing. Third, journal your journey. This is a game changer. Keep a simple investing journal. Every few months, jot down why you picked the stock, how you feel, and any updates. It creates an emotional connection like a diary of your growth. When doubts creep in, flip back and see how far you come. Start with just 5 minutes a week and it's easy and powerful. 4. Diversify and relax. Don't put all eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across a few value stocks. It eases the pressure on any single one, making waiting less scary. Last one, learn while you wait. Use the time to read books or watch videos on investing. It builds knowledge and excitement, turning waiting into learning. I love sharing stories in this channel because it connects to us all. We are in this together. Remember, waiting isn't passive, it's active trust. These tips help me shift from frantic to fulfilled, and I know they can do the same for you. Wrapping up, patience pays because value stocks need time to reveal their worth, and rushing out means missing massive gains. But with tips like journaling, you can wait with heart and confidence. You are not alone in this. Every great investor started as a beginner, feeling the same doubts. Trust the process and watch your patience turn into prosperity. If this resonated with you, hit that like button, it means the world. Subscribe to Stocks for Beginners for more tips and comment below what's one goal patience will help you achieve, or share your journaling ideas. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.